Oi,
Good morning, guys.
vedi là, vedi.
Today we are
Oh,
going to the Sarja Cornice.
Mango,
Today, I mean Saturday,
Mango.
and today he is free to fly. We will see. We are in the Sarja Cornice. This is seaside of Sarja, and we enjoy a lot. Had little exercise, walking through, and we had enough time to walk around, see some views. Here is the aeroplane is flying because Sharjah airport is nearby.
Mango,
Finally, we are going
Mango,
back
happy?
after
Hmm?
45 minutes, something like that.
Oh,
Let's see. Here you will see
Mango,
suddenly crow attack
Mango,
and he fly away.
oh,
And
Mango,
the group of
Mango,
crow they don't want to leave him,
Mango,
so he hide on my dates tree. Around
Mango,
30 minutes he came down.
Mango, Mango, come
You
here,
can
come here,
see
come
him.
here. Mango,
You will see him now. He's there down, and I keep calling him to come down, and I waited for almost 45 minutes on the road, but alhamdulillah, after 45 minutes around he came back. And see,
Mango.
now we are going back to home. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.